At Roca, our 100-year-old history is related to our expertise in the manufacturing of vitreous china. This is how we have become the largest worldwide manufacturer of solutions for the bathroom space, with the hygienic material par excellence. The exclusive formula for the production of vitreous china guarantees maximum hygiene due to its durable surface glaze that prevents the absorption of water, thus improving the level of hygiene. A precise formula of minerals such as clay, kaolin, feldspar, and quartz, along with a thorough inspection of the delicate firing curve of the pieces, result in an incredible consistency that confirms its durability. Using this production process, our ceramics can withstand high load capacities exceeding 400 kilograms due to the robust yet durable material. And that's not all. Our exclusive porcelain finish ensures resistance against abrasive cleaning products, high temperatures and ultraviolet light, whilst maintaining its original shine, delivering a high performance at all times. Roca Vitreous China, synonymous with bathroom designs.